away they go. Stream connection from the outside. And rushing up on the further outside is entry number 11, Lake K Manila. Lake K Manila. Andorra down on the inside. Atoy for a stream connection, Senor Elijah. Lake K Manila followed by Andorra down on the inside. Atoy for us. Step up and stream connection. Andorra by Anek, followed by Lake K Manila. And on the outside, step up Atoy for us down on the inside, stream connection. As they raise the last 450, Andorra by Hapalan, Lake K Manila. And on the outside, step up Atoy for us down on the inside. And nearing the finish line, Andorra this time by about 2 lengths, Lake K Manila. Atoy for us on the outside, step up Sea Patrol, stream connection, Senor Elijah. And nearing the finish line, Andorra. And finally, Andorra, Lake K Manila, Atoy for us, Sea Patrol. 9, Senor Elijah, step up stream connection. And number 4,